How to change text message style on WhatsApp. First, turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Click on Setting. Scroll down. Click on Display. No, click on System Font. From here you can select your font. Click on your favorite font. And no, click on Apply. No, click on Reboot. Now go to WhatsApp. Here you can see your text message style has been changed. This way you can change your text message style on WhatsApp.